Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I am Swati Prakash and I am working in BBD University as a senior assistant professor in the School of Pharmacy. Today I will discuss about the pharmacopoeia, the different types of pharmacopoeia that the pharmacy field has, and the different additions of the pharmacopoeias. So the word pharmacopoeia, the drugs affect health of the people. It is necessary to have special laws to control their sale and to establish standards of quality and purity. The Food and Drug Administration of various countries takes this responsibility of collecting all informations and to control the standards of drug to maintain uniformity and reliability of dosage forms. This governmental department of various countries started publishing books of standards for drugs and devices known as pharmacopoeias and formularies, both collectively referred to as the drug compendia. So pharmacopoeia, the word derives from the ancient Greek word pharmakon, means drug, and poeia means to make. It is a legally binding collection prepared by a national or regional authority and contains list of medicinal substances, crude drugs, and formulas for making prescriptions from them. The pharmacopoeia comes from the Greek word pharmakon, and therefore it can be defined as any recipe or formula and the standards required making or preparing a drug. Literally, it is a list of medicinal substances, crude drugs, and formulas for making preparations for them. It prescribes standards for identity, purity, and strength of drugs, especially required from healthcare perspective of human beings and animals. Most of the principal countries of the world have their own standards in the form of national pharmacopoeia of that country. The book will discuss the introductory part of first four pharmacopoeias like Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, the United States Pharmacopoeia, and the Extra Pharmacopoeia. The main focus shall be given to the latest 7th edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia 2014. The pharmacopoeia contains the list of drugs and the other related substances, the sources of drug, description, test, formulas for prescription, for preparation actions, uses, doses, and storage conditions. So these are the points that the pharmacopoeia contains. A monograph is a collection of detailed information on a particular drug, its dosage form, and methods of analysis. IP monograph for an official substance or preparation includes the articles definition, description, identification, packaging, storage, specification, impurities, assay, and specific test, one or more analytical procedures for each test, acceptance criteria, and other requirements, etc. A monograph contains chemical name, formula, solubility, identification, pH, assay, specific optical rotation, loss on drying, sulfated ash, and dose. Formularies are the list of drugs or collection of formulas for the compounding of medicinal preparations. Formularies contain more comprehensive detail on therapeutics. Collectively, these books are known as drug compendia. That you can see that the pharmacopoeia plus formularies is equal to drug compendia. Indian Pharmacopoeia The history of the IP began in the year 1833 when a committee of East Indian Company's dispensary recommended the publication of Pharmacopoeia and Bengal Pharmacopoeia and General Conspectus of Medicinal Plants was published in 1844, which mainly listed most of the commonly used indigenous remedies. This was followed by IP 1868, which covered both the drugs of British Pharmacopoeia 1867 and indigenous drugs used in India, with a supplement published in 1869 incorporating the vernacular names of indigenous drugs and plants. However, from 1885, the BP was made official in India. A drug inquiry committee appointed in 1927 by the government recommended the publication of a national pharmacopoeia. IPC, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, is an autonomous institution of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare which set standards for all drugs that are manufactured, sold or consumed in India. The set of standards are published under the title Indian Pharmacopoeia. After independence, the Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee was constituted in 1948 for publication of IP as its main function. The Indian Pharmacopoeia editions First edition IP in 1995 was published in the official gazettes. Dr. B.N. Ghosh was the chairman, and second edition IP 1996 Dr. B. Mukherjee he was a chairman. Shankar S. he was also the chairman. And the third edition IP in 1985 Dr. Nityanand, it contains a first amendment supplement in 1989 and second amendment the supplement in 1991. The fourth edition, the IP 1996, Dr. Nityanand was the chairman, and the third addendum supplement in 2000, and the fourth addendum supplement in 2002, and the fifth edition IP 2007, Dr. Nityanand he was a chairman, and sixth edition IP 2010, and 7th edition IP 2014 fifth amendment supplement in 2015. So the seventh edition The seventh edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission on the behalf of the Government of India, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Indian Pharmacopoeia is published in fulfillment of the requirement of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and rules thereunder. It prescribes the standards for drugs produced and or marketed in India, and thus contributes in the control and assurance of the quality of the medicines. The standards of this pharmacopoeia are authoritative and legally enforceable. It intends to help in the licensing of manufacturing, inspection and distribution of medicines. The Indian Pharmacopoeia 2014 is presented in 4 volumes. The scope of pharmacopoeia has been extended to include products of biotechnology, indigenous herbs and herbal products, veterinary vaccines, and additional antiretroviral drugs and formulations, inclusive of commonly used fixed dose combinations. First time IPC has introduced 19 radiopharmaceutical monographs, standard for new drugs and drugs used under national health programs are added, and the drugs as well as their formulations not in use nowadays are omitted from this addition. The IP 2014 incorporates 2,667 monographs of drugs, out of which 577 are new monographs consisting of APIs, excipients, dosage forms, herbal products, biotechnology products, and radiopharmaceuticals, etc. IP monograph for an official substance or preparations include the article's definition, description, identification, packaging, storage, specification, impurities, assay and specific test, one or more analytical procedures for each test, acceptance criteria and other requirements, etc. First time IP 2014 included with DVD-ROM out of 577 new monographs, 134 API monographs, 161 formulation monographs, 18 excipient monograph, 43 NDS monograph, 10 antibiotic monograph, 19 anti-cancer monograph and 11 antiviral monograph are included in this edition. Also 31 herbal monograph, 5 monographs on vaccine and immunosyrup for human use, 6 monograph on insulin product and 7 monograph on biotechnology products are included. A separate volume of veterinary product is also introduced for easy access. 143 monograph on veterinary products along with 16 appendices general chapter on veterinary products are also introduced. Total number of IP standard is reaching close to 3,000, which is almost at par with other international pharmacopoeias and comprising different categories of drug and appendices as mentioned. The standard prescribed in the Indian Pharmacopoeia are to establish the compliance with a regulatory requirement on an article. The criteria to be adhered to are the interpretation of monograph must be in accordance with all the general requirements, testing methods, text and notices pertaining to it in the IP, and a product is not of standard quality unless it complies with all requirements of the monograph. Indian Pharmacopoeia 2014 has included some new biological methods and chemical methods. So this is all about the IP. And the British Pharmacopoeia, BP is the national pharmacopoeia of the United Kingdom, and the British Pharmacopoeia is an important statutory component in the control of medicines. Along with the British National Formulary BNF, it defines the UK's pharmaceutical standards. It came into existence in 1864 and was published by General Council of Medical Education and Registration of the United Kingdom. A subcommittee of the Committee of Civil Research in 1926 led to the recommendation that the General Medical Council should appoint a pharmacopoeia commission to look after the work of new editions. The subsequent edition of British Pharmacopoeia 1932 was published under the guidance of the Pharmacopoeia Commission. Under the Medicine Act 1968, the responsibility for preparing the pharmacopoeia was transferred to the Medicines Commission, and under Section 4 of the Act, the British Pharmacopoeia Commission was reconstituted by the Health Minister. The British Pharmacopoeia is a source of official standards for drugs in the United Kingdom. and other part of the Commonwealth. Today, most of the drugs and preparations described in British Pharmacopoeia are proprietary product of the pharmaceutical industry, and the Pharmacopoeia provides information on the standards and methods of analysis to be employed. The first edition of British Pharmacopoeia came into existence in coming years in 1867, second edition in 1898, fourth edition in 1914, fifth edition in 1953, eighth edition was published. Thereafter, it had been published annually. The monograph have been introduced officially in BP 2007 for materials used in the preparation of traditional Chinese medicines. In many monograph, word like prolonged release was replaced with a slow release, while gastro-resistant with the enteric coated. In BP 2008, approximately 3,100 monographs were published, which contain substances, preparations, and articles used in the practice. All BP editions from 2007 to 2009 are published with extensive 6 volumes, which provide the information. Volume 1 and 2 provide information about medicinal substances. Volume 3 provide information about formulated preparations, blood-related products, immunological products, radiopharmaceutical products, surgical materials, and homeopathic preparations. Volume 4 is enriched with some supplementary chapters and IR spectras. Volume 5 provides veterinary information, and Volume 6 contains CD-ROM version. The BP 2010 was published by TSO, the Stationery Office, on behalf of the British Pharmacopoeia Secretary, a part of the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, that is MHRA. This edition came into existence legally in UK from 1st January 2010. The BP was most accepted official standard for pharmaceutical substance and medicinal products since 1864. Today it has been used in almost more than 100 countries. BP 2013 includes 6 volumes printed editions, including the BP Veterinary 2013. The BP 2014 includes almost 3,500 monographs, which are legally enforced by the Human Medicine Regulation 2012. It contains well-extensive 5 volumes and a single volume of the BP Veterinary 2014, along with a fully searchable CD-ROM and online access to provide flexible resources. This edition includes some new content like 40 new monograph, 272 amended monograph, 3 new supplementary chapters, 4 new BP veterinary monograph, and 1 new BP veterinary supplementary chapter. BP 2016 include almost 4,000 monograph. All the medicines products sold and supplied in UK must comply with the BP standard. All the monograph and requirements in European Pharmacopoeia are also reproduced in the BP edition. The change in BP 2016 with the previous publication include 37 new BP monograph, 142 amended monograph, 1 new BP appendix for the DNA identification of herb. All European Pharmacopoeia monograph integrated, 8th edition as amended by supplements like 8.1 and 8.5, and updated European Pharmacopoeia supplements 8.6 to 8.8, and the 6th volume printed edition of BP 2006 include BP Veterinary in 2016. Next one is the European Pharmacopoeia. The European Pharmacopoeia is a pharmacopoeia that aims to provide common quality standards throughout Europe to control the quality of medicines and the substances used to manufacture them. The Extra Pharmacopoeia is a result of the small book published in 1833 by William Martindale with the aim of the drugs and the medicines not described in the British Pharmacopoeia. The assist to create this publication were the expert inventive pharmacist and a physician. The first edition published in 1967, second edition published in 1980, third edition published in 1997, fourth edition published in 2001, valid from 1st January 2002, and fifth edition published 15 June 2004, valid from 1st January 2005, and sixth edition was published in 16 July 2007 and it is valid from 1st January 2008, and seventh edition was published in June 2010 and it is valid from 1st January 2011, and eighth edition was published in June 2013 and it is also valid from 1st January 2014. Last pharmacopoeia is a United States pharmacopoeia. The first edition of United States pharmacopoeia was published by United States Pharmacopoeial Convention on 15 December 1820 in both Latin and English languages. Since then up to 1942 there was a long gap, and from 1942 to 2000 new editions have been published every 5 years interval, and from the year 2002 it has been published annually. Similarly, the first national formulary of United States was published in 1888. The USP is published in a combined volume with national formulary as USPNF. It contains standard of medicine, dosage form, drug substances, excipients, biologicals, compounded preparations, medical devices, dietary supplements, and other therapeutics. The first combined version USP 24NF was appeared in 1st January 2000 and USP 30NF25 was appeared 1st May 2007, which almost contain 4100 monograph and 200 general chapters. It has been printed in 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains general chapters, volume 2 and 3 contains monograph. So this is all about the pharmacopoeias, the different types of pharmacopoeias, and have a nice day and thank you.